Okay, I am making seasoned steak with peppers and onions, and I'm going to serve it with some mashed potatoes. So this is how I do it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the seasonings I'm going to use because I'm getting ready to fry the steak. All right, I'm adding some onion seasoning. Okay, I'll tell you about that onion. It wakes up the flavor. All right, I'm gonna add some of this Maggi. This is the chicken flavor, but it's still good. You don't have to use, just because it says chicken flavor don't mean that you have to use it only on chicken. So put some of that in there, okay? Then I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. I'm not gonna kill it with the pepper because I don't want the pepper to overpower the meat. Then I'm gonna take my clean hands, my very clean hands that I washed because we don't want to cook with no dirty hands in Twala's kitchen. And then I'm going to take it, mix up the meat, and make sure that all of this meat is covered with seasoning. Okay, I added my meat inside of my good old Dutch pot. You guys know how I feel about a Dutch pot. Okay, that good old iron skillet, some of you may call it, but it's like one of the best pots. So I added my meat in the frying pot in the hot oil. All right, here are the seasonings that I will be using. I have onions, I have green peppers, I have garlic, and I also have some ginger. And these are the seasonings I will be putting in my seasoned steak. All right, so now I'm stir frying the onions, boy, I just had a brain freeze. The onions, the green peppers, the ginger, and the garlic all together. All right, I just added the meat inside of the pot that I had drained with the stir-fried vegetables. All right, I had added a little water to the pot, okay? Just enough to come over the meat a little bit. I don't want like crazy amount of water because I'm not making soup. All right, you guys, I'm going to add about some flour, okay? I added about 2 spoons of flour to thicken up my gravy a little bit, to give my gravy a little, a little substance. All right, so you put that in there. All right, it's gonna thicken it up. All right, honey, look at that meat. Get into it. Get into it, sweetie. Look at that. My goodness. You want a piece? I know you do. I know you do.